I've got the March Scentsy Whiff box, so if you want to check out what this month's theme is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit is hanging out with me somewhere and Chloe doesn't feel well, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, hauls, collaborations, fashion, beauty, you name it. If you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free and helps us grow. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the Scentsy Whiff box is full of products from Scentsy, which is one of those things where like Tupperware used to be, right? So you could have Scentsy parties or whatever. I just get the box. I started getting it, I don't know, I think last year, and I've been really impressed with the variety of products because it's not just wax melts. There are all kinds of things in here, sometimes cleaning products, laundry products. This is maybe their Easter box, so we might have a little bit of an Easter theme going on. Let's check it out though. Here is the little card. Now this seems like it's going to be ocean themed or vacation themed. It says, "The world is waiting. March 2026. Here is your sneak peek. We have 3 of those car scents things. And I think that way you can share, you know, if you like. So I usually give one to my mom. This is in coconut blossoms. I can't really smell it through here, but I do like the scent of coconut. Obviously, you don't want to open these until you're ready to use them. Next, we have their little fragrance flowers. So we have the base with the fragrance oil. It says Blue Grotto, and then the flower itself is Buttercup Bell. So what you're going to do, and I'm not ready to use it, so I'm not going to set it up, but you're going to place this in. Obviously, we're going to take it out of here. You're going to place that into the fragrance oil, and then if the fragrance is a color, like I'm guessing this is going to be a blue, the flower will start to turn the color of the oil. If not, it'll just stay this color. So the one we currently have is just this color, but it's going to put some fragrance in wherever you put it. Obviously, the smaller the space, the more you're going to notice the scent. So I usually put these in the bathroom, which is pretty much one of the smallest spaces that, you know, you have in the house. This is not blue, so it will stay the color that it is, or make it a little bit of a vanilla tint to it. Let's smell this. What does Blue Grotto smell like? I try very hard to not spill this on my clothing. Ooh, oh, I really like that. Oh, I'm excited about that one. And then you have this to make it decorative. So you'll screw that on, you'll pop your flower in, and then you put it in whatever space you feel like you're going to get the best use out of it. Again, we do a bathroom usually for this. Next, we have a room spray in lemon, sugar, and sage. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Now, we have a cat litter box, and so even though it is self-cleaning and does a really good job at it, I'm so tremendously happy with our cat litter box. It is the Litter Robot 4, and you can get that from their website, Whiskas, or on Amazon. We got it on Amazon because I had a bunch of gift cards. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. I like to share the products that I love with you because it's an expensive one and you want to know if it's great. I got to tell you, it is the best litter box. I hate litter boxes. That being said, clay litter still has a scent to it. So even though it's self-cleaning and it gets rid of the waste, I'm not smelling the waste, but the clay litter scent I don't like. So I like to spray this right around that area so I don't have to smell the clay litter. So great scent. I'm going to enjoy using that. Then we have our scent bricks. All right. So this one's actually white, not blue. This is Mist and Magnolia. And this one is Sunset Drift. So they are now putting their scent notes on here, I believe. Yes, this is Ocean Mist, Magnolia, and Driftwood. This Mist and Magnolia. That sounds nice. Oh, it's so clean smelling. And then Sunset Drift is Vanilla Orchid, Sugared Violet, and Amber. And they have these little imprints on the bottom. Okay, all right. I wasn't sure at first because that amber was throwing me off, but I am getting that sugared violets in there. And that vanilla, I wouldn't say vanilla orchid, more of just a vanilla type scent. So that really sets off the amber. I think I'm going to enjoy this one too. So that's what I mean. Like, you never know what you're going to get in there. I thought, okay, this is going to be Eastery type stuff. But no, it is more of by the ocean type stuff. So I'm always excited for this box. I get so many great things. I get a lot of cleaning supplies from this box that we use all the time. So if you like scents and you want to give yourself a little bit of a treat, give it a try. You can find them online. You can just randomly pick a seller. You know, you don't have to actually know one or have a party, and just order the box if you like, or order other things. Sometimes it comes with a catalog like this one did, and it has some of like their new scents, their new diffusers, things like that. I believe they've gotten into candles. Oh, they now have a smart line, so you can actually program it. Yes, so they now have the candles. They are $30. It looks like it's a 2-wick. So just depending upon what you're into, you can find all those kind of fragrances here. They break it down: woods, cozy, gourmand, fresh, floral, citrus. I love citrus. And the lemon, sugar, and sage falls in the citrus. Fruity. I also love a good fruity. I can't find the 2 scent bricks that we got in the catalog as far as what they are, but I would definitely say that this would be a clean scent, and this one would be a little bit more of a woods scent to my scent, to what I'm picking up, I guess. Now the other thing is they are a licensed Disney seller, so they do have Disney items, and then if you are a Harry Potter fan, they do have Harry Potter as well. So lots of different options with Scentsy. Go check them out online. Again, I don't get any commission from any of this. I'm not a Scentsy seller. I just get this particular subscription. I've not bought independently just because I like to just try different things, even though there's so many things in here. I'm like, ooh, that's so nice. No, it's not true. I did buy independently the very first time. I got a kit which had a burner, like a wax burner, and 1 or 2 bricks. That was the only time I bought independently. But really loving this subscription. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think about this subscription? Is this something you would like to get? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.